Of dissection of palm. So this is the ulnar nerve, this is ulnar artery. Both of these are passing superficial to flexor retinaculum. Now we have cut the flexor retinaculum here. So this space below the flexor retinaculum is the carpal tunnel. Now through this carpal tunnel the structures passing are, this is the median nerve, then deep to the median nerve, this is the tendon of flexor digitorum superficialis, and still deep to it, these are the tendons of flexor digitorum profundus, 4 tendons of both the muscles, and laterally the tendon of flexor pollicis longus. So these are the structures passing deep to flexor retinaculum through carpal flexor tunnel. Now coming to the muscles of the palm. Now there are 4 muscles of thenar eminence and 4 muscles of hypothenar eminence. Among the thenar eminence, 2 muscles which are superficial present in the first layer. These are the laterally, this is the abductor pollicis brevis, and medially this is the flexor pollicis brevis. Now this abductor pollicis brevis, it arises from tubercle of the scaphoid, flexor retinaculum and also trapezium bone. And flexor pollicis brevis, it arises from trapezium, trapezoid, capitate and flexor retinaculum. Both of these muscles, they are inserting on the proximal phalanx of the thumb on its base on the lateral side. So on the proximal phalanx of the thumb they are inserting. And these muscles are supplied by median nerve. So this is the median nerve supplying the thenar muscles. Now deep to it we will get other 2 muscles which are abductor pollicis brevis and adductor pollicis. We will see them later. Then on the thenar eminence, hypothenar eminence, again there are 4 muscles. One muscle we have already cut, which is superficial, that is palmaris brevis. Then deep to the palmaris brevis, other 3 muscles are again most medially, this is the abductor digiti minimi. Still lateral to it, this is the flexor digiti minimi. And deep to both of these, this is the 3rd muscle which is opponens digiti minimi. Now this flexor digiti minimi, it is arising from pisiform bone and flexor retinaculum, and flexor digiti minimi, it is arising from flexor retinaculum only. Both of these muscles, they are again inserting on the proximal phalanx of the little finger, on its base of the proximal phalanx on its medial aspect. Then this is the opponens digiti minimi muscle. It arises from the shaft of the 5th metacarpal bone. So it arises from the flexor retinaculum and it is inserted on the shaft of the 5th metacarpal bone. And all these 3 muscles, they are supplied by the deep branch of ulnar nerve. And this is the ulnar artery. We have already seen the superficial palmar arch. So this is the superficial branch and this is the deep branch. This is the deep branch of ulnar artery passing deep to this hypothenar muscles.